Hello guys, welcome back to AMI. So guys, in this video we will be learning the types of engine. So the first one is, as per the type of ignition we have, that is the external combustion engine EC engine and the internal combustion engine IC engine. So it is the engine in which the combustion of the fuel takes place outside of the engine. The fuel gets burned, which produces the heat, which generates the more steam at high pressure and high temperature. Then this high pressurized steam gets passed through a particular turbine. It goes past through the particular turbine which produces the power. So guys, in this case, the external combustion engine, this engine we can use all the types of the fluids such as the solid, liquid and gaseous fuels. So these engines are generally used in the driving the locomotives such as railroads and ships as well. The next one is the internal combustion engine, in which the combustion of the fuel takes place inside of the engine cylinder. The fuel burns inside of the engine cylinder. So guys, this is the simple representation of the internal combustion. We have seen a particular video on the same. So guys, in this case, in engines we can use only the gases and high volatile fuel like petrol, diesels, etc. The next one is as per the number of strokes. So we have over here 2-stroke engine and 4-stroke engine. We have also made a particular video on this. Next one is according to the design of the engine, which is reciprocating engine, piston engine, that is a rotary engine, which is the Wankel engine. So guys, in this case, the Wankel engine, I have made a simple animation. So this is the particular Wankel engine, that is the rotary engine. Next one is according to the fuel used. We all know this, which is a diesel engine, petrol engine as well, gas engine we have, and the next one is the electric engine. So guys, electric engine is none other than a normal induction motor which is connected to the compressor and the turbine. So guys, this is a simple representation and the prototype, that is the ELO prototype made from Renault. So the next one is according to the method of ignition. So that is the compression ignition engine and the spark ignition engine. The next one is according to the number of the cylinders. So we are all familiar about this also, the single cylinder engine and the multi-cylinder engine. And the next one is according to the arrangement of the cylinder, particularly means how the cylinder gets arranged, that might be inline arrangement, that is inline engine, V-type engine, that is the angular formation, opposed cylinder engine and W-type engine as well, and opposite piston engine, and the last one is the radial engine. So guys, the last one is according to the air intake process, that is the naturally aspirated and the supercharged engine, and the third one is the turbocharged engine. So guys, in this case, first one, the internal combustion engine, in which the air intake depends only upon the natural and atmospheric pressure. It does not need any turbocharger and supercharger, whereas in case of supercharger, a compressor that increases the pressure of the air that's supplied to the IC engine. Mainly, more air gives more oxygen, means the more oxygen will be supplied to the particular engine, which ultimately burns the more fuel and which ultimately produces the more work. Okay, more work in terms of power, you can say, that is the more power. So guys, the next one is the turbocharge. It is a turbine driven force induction devices which connects to the output, means the exhaust of the particular, then it is supplied to the internal combustion engine chamber. So guys, this is the simple representation I have shown. In this case, the compressor and the turbocharger is also attached. The air comes from air filter, then it goes to the compressor, which compresses the particular air, which increases the pressure as well as the temperature of the supplied air, which is connected to the crankshaft of the engine by the means of this particular compressor belt drive, and it is connected to the crankshaft by the means of this magnetic coupling. It can be any type of, this is nothing but the only joint only. Next one, it goes to the directly to the air cooler, which cools and reduces the temperature of the air which supplies to the engine. So the next one, we have this turbocharger, that is nothing but the turbine which is connected to the exhaust of the engine, and then that particular air gets recycled to the from air cooler to the engine. So guys, this is the industrial representation of this particular supercharger and turbocharger I have shown, so that you can easily identify how they looks. So guys, thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please hit like. If you have any doubts and comments, please do comment below. If you guys, please do share my videos to everyone, so my channel will get famous. So guys, subscribe for more of the videos, and guys, please press this particular bell icon so you will get notified of my latest videos. Thank you guys.